All right, today is January 14th, 2025. Just got back from the gym. A little late as far as getting back to the gym, so I'm gonna quickly try to do my pre-market levels and then go on with my day, such as eating and showering, and then coming back to the charts. Hopefully, I can at least eat or something because I usually eat right after. So I'm gonna hop into it. I'm gonna go over yesterday's trade. Um, Took a trade yesterday. We're helping bringing this back down and then or bringing it up as far as positive. One trade yesterday was able to wipe out most of the losses from last week. Thank God. I was aiming for a little bit higher in the trade. This is where I entered. I was aiming for a little bit past 58.60, but I was at the charts from 8:30 all the way on until like whenever I took this trade. So it was 8:30, so 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, almost like 5 hours in front of the charts. I was mentally exhausted. More so, I was hungry because my metabolism is was pushing through the roof. But anyways, I took this trade. We had a break of structure, another pullback here. I like the pullback. I entered here. I entered early. I didn't want to miss a trade because I missed probably quite I missed quite a bit of trades. I should have waited for um some gray a gray candle. I'll tell you what I'm talking about on the lower time frame. I should have waited for I should on the 1 minute here up here as price came down. Could have entered right here, but I entered a little higher initially. And then when price came down, gave me this gray candle. This is what I wanted. I told myself I needed this gray candle for my entry. We got it over here, and then we also had an imbalance of volume here, and then I entered again as price started to push up right there. All right, and then I entered again right here. I was aiming for 60, but price just consolidated until like the end of time. Um, I can't really get to this picture back here, can I? Yeah, price consolidated until like the end of time. As you can see, after my exit here, price came back down. I just couldn't take it anymore. I had fully exit. I was gonna just leave a runner because I was trying to get to this red, but first 60 and then this red. We came close to 60, and it was just like not doing it. I said, screw it. I'm just gonna exit this trade. I had some volume right here, which price came back and retested. Price came back when we retested that volume. That pushed price up, and then came back up to that 60. So it gave that 10-point move, which would have been nice. Adding to it over here. Um, so standing for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Another 14 more minutes. 15 the most entering here, and then trying to get up to there. So about 8 points. But my main goal was this 1 minute area where price had volume. So we hit that 15-minute uh, volume area, and then over here, right? Price did eventually stay into this area until the end of the day, and then pushed up, and then after the market, it pushed up even higher. So that was my one trade. Some trades that I missed was I should have been better with my 5 minute level down here. I realized that that's the 1 minute, still the 1 minute. I can't see it on that one at all. Okay, but I realized that I had a level on the 5 minute that made sense. Wow, we must have just had some kind of news because god dang, came down to this level and just jumped through the roof. So give me some time to set up. All right, anyways, I was saying here I had this level. I wanted to mark this here, but I marked the low of the 15-minute, which is that one on the bottom part. I wanted to mark the high part here as well because this is the best range. Maybe even this 5 minute up here because that's where price came down to 7 o'clock, and then right at the open price ticked it and then bounced like that, right? Nice little bounce from here all the way up. A nice 33-point move. This would have been a nice move to take. Let's paint this area here like that, and that would have been done. Like finish. And this would have been much better than this move over here. 19 points, 25 points. But I would have been done with the day because, well, this push up, push down, I can add, push up, push down, I can add, reach the level, call it a day. All right, so let's go to it real quickly, and then we're gonna set up the charts. All right, so enter, boom, while this is pushing up. Do we even get a trend line is the question. We do not. We got this trend line. All right, oh, we did break it. All right, let's see here. Sell is here. Buy is way down here. Buy is here. Sell is here. Buy is way down here. That's what it looks like real quickly. Actually, that's not a bad idea. All right, boom, broke out, came back down, opportunity, waits, boom, right? And stop loss just a little lower. Possible. That's something that I'm playing with. It's making sense to me where we get to sell, we got a downtrend going on. This is the downtrend. Did we break out of that trend? We break out of that trend. All right, cool. Now we retest and then we look for an entry. So this one would have been an early entry. Probably need to enter. How far down is this? That's a lot. All right. Got to sell here, buy here. Let's do one more connection. Boom. All right, we did come out of it, so here, boom, break, come back down. So if I miss this staggering move, could come back here and buy right here. All right, 3 points, 3.5 points, and then we're still aiming for that top there, 20 points. I would have been happy with that one. We've been push down, push down, push down. I like how deep we are in here, and then pushing back up. Enter again right here. Boom. All right. Hit that. Either exit here or exit there. One to two. All right. All right. You're gonna hit that weekly. Boom. All right. Just track it, and exit. That would have been nice. All right, and that would have been it for that day. If I had marked that area, I could have marked it and then marked these. So I'm working on these trend line areas. They're making sense to me. If we're in a downtrend, I first sell and then I first buy. It starts to create my trend line. All right, so let's get into it. We're going to start working with whatever we got on this chart. Where's my clock? It's probably behind all of this noise. Nope. Is it behind these here? Nope. It's behind this because I did click on that one also. Here it is, behind everything. All right, so this is my clock. My clock up. Boom, have that up. And then this one we have this. And I'm gonna also include my daily routine. Can I duplicate this? I'm not gonna have multiple of these up. I just want to know, can I save them? That I don't know. I don't know if I can save them with these notes. No limit. I'm gonna make it gray. Widget. All right. I want it. Oh, the font I want the font. I'm gonna make it green, purple. Make it purple, purple like royalty. Background purple. Font, um, greenish. I don't know, something. Gotta hit apply. That's fine. Apply. Maybe, maybe not. There you go. Apply. All right, whatever. I'll deal with that for now. All right, so I'll eventually build it. I'm gonna put it to the side. I wonder if I close it out, can I find it? It's a question. How do I save my notes? I don't think I can. I think once they're closed, they're closed. Um, are you sure you want to close this? No. So once it's open, it's open. Once it's closed. I'm gonna have to find something else to have up. 'Cause I really like the fact that I can move these little things around for my notes, and it's clear. So I'll find something what allows me to save them. All right, so we gotta hurry up. We're at 12 minutes in. All right, so a lot of news came out. Boom, we hit an area where we sold off at in a sense. Let's go to our daily. Let's see what price did on our daily. We had some buying down here. Definitely buying from where we had that Trump rally from the election. I still think we can still have some more downside. That rally was strong enough to still push price into the selling area. So we're still in the selling zone. We reclaimed the weekly low. We broke that. So let's chop that up like chop suey like this. I got a lot of deleting to do. We are strong buying here, strong selling up to here on the 4 hour. I think we still have some selling up here, probably in the the lower time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour. No selling up there still. I'm gonna have to monitor this area here. This is some strong selling that came out of nowhere. Gonna mark it like this. Oh, it's NFP. Look at that. It didn't come out of nowhere. It came from this non-farm payroll. A lot of buying. You can see at the open we had buying, selling that tried to work but couldn't, and then more buying came in. Right, died out, and then pushed up. I really like the fact that I only work on just the strong selling and strong buying areas. Kind of give me a good idea of what price is doing versus all of the low volume, high volume, none of that stuff. I prefer no volume at all. And then low volume selling like this, right? Give me an idea of what's going on. All right, let's clear up the chart. We are in our base form with a lot of deleting to do. We don't need any of these. Um, you're going to look for those high volume area. I like this high strong buying, but since it's a buy, it doesn't really count as far as an area that I'm interested in. If it was a sell, it would be. All right, get rid of all of these. We hit that bottom a good amount of time here. We cleared that. It's no longer good. We don't have anything for supportive rise. We got this 15-minute area that I marked. We got a strong area here on the 30-minute. It's a strong selling area. I don't think I really got much out of this besides the fact that we sold out of it from NFP. So where does buying kind of start here? We got selling right here. I'm marking it like that. Alright, that buying, selling that failed, buying came in, push price up. I'm gonna keep that as that. Okay, this is selling, no buying, no buying, not really anything here. Maybe this one here, or buying, and open up on the side of it, pushed out. All right. All right. So we're gonna keep that there like that. All right. So nothing here. Let's go to and then nothing here. This is our strongest volume, but it's a buy. So this is just area to buy if it counts, right? But we're not gonna mark it. We're gonna go to the 15-minute. Still a strong buy area right here. Definitely buyers here. All right. I'll mark it like this. All right. Price came down to that. That would have been a nice trade. What news is it? PPI. What does that translate to on Forest Factory? Core PPI, yeah. So we came to that strong buying here, end of day buying right here. Did a low and then bounce. So this would have been a nice trade to get into. All right, nothing here. This here is important. I like that. It's a low. So we're gonna mark that. Two-minute low. I'm probably not gonna have time to shower. Minute bottom. I don't see anything. I gotta mark my highs and lows of that day also. Like my low was here, and my high was here during real time trading hours. So it's also a high. Right, so this would have been a nice area to. This would have been a one and done if you traded news. That's a lot of points. Just all right. Goodbye, guys. All right, we'll come back to this. All right, let's go to 5-minute. Let's fix this little thing here. Get rid of that one, and then extend this one. And then we can get rid of this line, bring that one up, and then this is also the low. That's low. Okay. I don't have anything we can work with. I like this 5-minute. That. Still nothing. No selling here. You know, it is the largest volume after noon. Um, I don't have any strong, large selling volumes down here. Go to the 15. Let's check. Nope. Let's go to the 30. Let's go to the hour. All right. Let's go to the minute. Largest buying candle. Here, let's mark that one. All right, let's just see what we get. We went right to it. That's the largest buying candle. All right. So this is, I'm gonna mark it as our green. Um, 1 minute end of day volume buy or green buy. All right. Because usually I want it to be the opposite color, but yeah, I'm gonna make it green. How about that? All right. Boom, 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 boom. Bam. Wow. Freak. That would have been beautiful. Just buy on these here. They're just telling you, okay, we're about to take off. All right. Could have entered here. Stop loss here. 5 points. 41 points. I'd walk away. I walk away from 40 points, 39 points. I don't care. I'll be dead. Um, that's pretty damn good. Um, very good. 19,500, and then that's it. But also gotta calculate the other side. You were risking 2,000 or 250 or 25. All right. So also the thing, I still take that risk. Yeah, I take that risk. 250. All right. 50 times 5, 250. 50 times 39, 1,950. That's a 7 to 8. Almost an 8 to 1. You know, even if you got it like this, right? Boom, you track it, track it. All right, let's exit. All right, now notice how it hit that high, even if yeah, 35, 75. All right, all right. So, uh-huh. Yep, same thing. Uh, that's a good payday for the day. Cool. Yeah, risking 5 points and then well, get out of here. All right, I do it. All right, so that's my levels. It's my 1 minute level, so this level is going to stay. This is a buy. Let's go back to the 5 minute. All right, so the 1 minute, we are creating a demand zone from a supply zone. All right, so other thing also that I was looking at when I was doing these trades is that as we're going up, do we have volume of that kind, like buying volume? So we have here, uh, like on the 5 minute, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these 5, right? All right. Do we have buying volume? So we do have buying volume, and the volume is still persistent. So now, do we fade when we get back into it with some more buying? So we get more green but no volume, probably going to reverse, call it absorption. So that's a thought. Okay. All right. Anyways, I'm done with this. Let's do settlement price, and then go on to the next thing. and I want to be done soon. So, wow, it's the high, it's that green volume area, it's the settlement price, it's so much everything right there. That right there, boom. Yeah, that was nice, and it looked like it was probably part of that trend line. I think I started this trend line from back here. Yeah, buy, sell, trend line. It was everything. This was perfect, perfect, perfect bounce. So below it, I like to see price come down. I don't have anything to really bounce price off of. So all right, let's go to NQ. Have to do some house cleaning also with NQ. NQ came to a nice little level, probably like in the same area. All right, demolish this area here, hit this top quite a bit of times. Okay. Okay, let's bring ourselves down to reality. Reality is that trading is hard. And it is not an easy thing. So if you think it's easy, um, you're in for a rude awakening. So I'm bringing myself back to reality so that way I don't think just because I had a little win yesterday that you know, everything is all good. So we got buying, see another buy, and then price went off. Another one here, but no volume. Price broke like that. Look for that entry in the pullback, take it down. All right, so that's clear. Get rid of that. Same thing went to daily. Buying here, good. It's just a bottom all time frame. 4 hour, we're still in the selling area. 1 hour, still in the selling area. 30 minute, no EOF. I couldn't mark that, but no. All right, so this is our first buy, and then our next sell was here. All right, boom. So if we break out of it, look for shorts, which we did. Once we ended up shorting, which it broke out. So if we go into that 5 minute we're looking at, we can see that when price hit and volume was dying out, this actually needs to be done with the 5 minute. Let's look good on 30 though. Let's put this as 30 minutes from now. And we'll come back to that idea. Because 5 minutes is what I'm working on. Working on just keeping stuff the same. I like this. This is connecting with yes. I'm almost done, but no need to rush. And I'm going a little bit over. All right, there goes that strong volume. Looks like they came to it as well. I like this 15 minute up here. I may not keep it because we have that 5 minute top that we're also facing. So just be realistic with that. I prefer to face the extreme during real time market hours. All right, let's back up a little bit. We can see that still nothing, nothing, nothing. Our 5 minutes down here. I like that. .5 minute. Zoom out. All right, let's see how we're doing with this takeoff. So we have buy, sell, sell, buy, push price up. All right, we broke out of it, but I want to add this buy that we bounce off of. Buy for sell. No, I'm gonna add the sell, the sell. All right, I don't want to buy add the buys. I want to add the sells. The sells are the ones that we want to add. The buy takes us off, and then want to add the sells after that. Ah, all right. So that one did bounce off of this nicely. Boom. Right. I want to add these cells afterwards. So, but the one that was up here, our next cell is here. So we continue to just work that. So we have this one here. You can see that price didn't really stay out of it. It went back in. This one here, price didn't stay out of it, went back in. This one here, price didn't stay out of it, went back in. This one here does not match up well. Right, this would have been fine. That one we broke out of, right? Boom, we broke out, right? And that one was fine. Looking for probably rejection up here if we can get it. Look like we had one minor rejection and we got caught up. This one here, we did break out, pull back, we stayed out. So yeah, could have taken that a little bit, but this is just horrible. All right, so let's see as we go up to the top there. I need to sell one. Boom, we got that. All right, boom. I think the 30-minute looks so much better when I did it. I think I took it from, see, this one came from here, took it from here. And then I hit that sell down here. All right, like that. I'm gonna make it solid. Boom. All right, boom. And I'm gonna mark the areas with a circle so that way I know that I want to look for these areas to see what I get. This is not NQ. This is not ES. This is NQ. Well, that's that. Yeah, I wonder if I'm really tag teaming this thing. Can't really tell which one. Okay, we're gonna change that one a different color for now. This is 6. All right. Boom. All right, so we're gonna have yellow, gold, brown. All right. So that, let's go to 5-minute. You see that nice little streak. So right here should be where I start. So there, and then we're looking for sell. Yep, not doing that. Price is already out of it. Trend line's been dead long ago. I think this one would be the best one there. All right, boom, push. All right, price came down, came back up to it. Gonna retest that. Definitely a good area for an entry. Ay, those meals. Okay, let's do some erasing. I like this trend line down here. That one could stay. That's a 5-minute trend line. Um, it's gonna be our 5-minute mark here. And let's do 1 minute. Still don't have anything here. This is our strongest selling candle right here. I may come back to those. Oh, oh, look at that. Got one right here. Let me zoom out. Let me double check. All right. It's not this is the strongest. I'm going to say it's not the strongest. It is the strongest. All right. We got one. Okay. Let's mark that. Man, that took up quite a bit of our time. All right. Sheesh. That's what we went to. Look at that. All right. Settlement price. I got to do highs and lows. That's what we went to. Settlement price. Probably around the same area too. Wow, this would have been a nice setup. Yep. Right to it. This whole area, battlefield, price level. 1 minute. I want to take another step back to make sure I'm looking at everything. Let's get our highs and our lows for that day. Let's go to the 30-minute time frame. Lows here. High is here. I don't know what this trend line, this price line is, but I don't think I need it. All right, so this was just an area of so many rejection points. So I'm going to get rid of that box. So much is going on here. I can't even see it. Do that. 3 to the left. There it is. This is going to be that's fine. Okay. All right. Let's go to VIX real quickly. I just want to mark the highs and the lows for VIX. And then that high volume area, if I can. No, so yeah, high volume area if I can. Let's look like we cleared this. The low was here. Highs over here. Let's go into the like this. Looks like I'm just gonna have time to eat. I won't shower until after. So like that. Let's go into the 5 minute. See if there's anything down here I can work with. We do have this high up here. Okay. All right. So let's go to the 30-minute. Strong buying that we're below. This one here. But we're not so far below it that it should be warranted, but I will also draw it also. Plus 30-minute. Let's go to the 2-minute. 5-minute again. This one here. Then let's go to the I don't like the fact that we already broke it. Looks very I like this one. Like not really anything I want to be really interested in because we broke it already. That one we didn't reach yet. Well, we did, but we're not really hanging around it. All right, so I'm gonna mark that up. So I'm gonna mark that up. Bring it out. Okay. Okay. Definitely. It all matched up perfectly. Okay. So if we step back and we look, we can see that got a lot going on these charts, but we do have some pretty good, decent levels. A lot going on, especially on here. I can probably get rid of this here. I'm gonna keep the low. It's a lot of tech, a lot text wise. I'm gonna get rid of this. It's just too much information. 5-minute, I like that. Still battling that. And Q has a nice area here. So in sense, we're done. Not really. Is it because I hate it? It's because I hate it. Because I got rid of it. No, I did it like that. There. All right. So not really getting the sense of I think of important. I like this. And then dead. Reversal. All right. So that's it for me today. I'll be back in the evening. Um, yeah. And those are basically it. I did go over news, didn't I? I did not. That was the only news. 8:30. This guy's speaking at 10. For the budget at 2. It's probably speaking at 3. Yeah, so that's it. Basically earnings. There are no earnings, settlement price. All right, everything's been set. Okay, so be back in the evening. A little bit over today, but it is what it is. All right.